Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make perfect egg salad. Egg salad is a classic. Today I'm going to show you a chef-style version of egg salad that you will absolutely love. It is so good. To start, you'll need a dozen eggs. Gently place the eggs into the bottom of an empty saucepan, and you want it to be just big enough to hold all 12 eggs. Then we'll fill the saucepan with cold water. You want to add in enough water to cover the eggs with about 1 inch of water. Then we're going to take this over to the stove and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, turn off the heat and pop a lid on it. Let it sit like this for 8 minutes. In the meantime, fill a bowl with ice and water. Then you'll plunge your eggs into that ice bath to get them to stop cooking. Give them about 5 minutes to cool in the ice bath before you peel your eggs. Then we'll just roughly chop our eggs. So I slice them in half, turn them over, slice them in half again, and actually I just kind of quarter them. You can cut them into smaller pieces, but I like my egg salad to be a little chunky. Transfer all of your chopped eggs to a large mixing bowl and add in 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and I'm using a whole grain Dijon mustard for this. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, and my secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of horseradish. That's a chef's secret right there. It adds a ton of flavor. Trust me, you don't want to skip the horseradish. Just make sure you're using a prepared horseradish. Then finish it off with 1/4 cup of freshly minced dill and 1/4 cup of minced chives, and gently fold this all together. And that's it. You have a delicious egg salad. You'll want to pop this in the fridge and let it chill until you're ready to serve. You can serve this up plain, on a little piece of lettuce, on some toast. Any way you eat your egg salad, this one is sure to be delicious. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.